Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone speaker not working. We can imagine the struggle you are facing with the speaker issue. Release of iOS 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 and 17 come with a wonderful feature, but they also cause great problems to many iPhone users. iPhone speakers not working in iOS 11 to iOS 17 is the problem on the list, and this is what we are going to discuss in this video. Also useful methods will be provided as well to better solve the problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is turn the volume to the maximum. This is the first thing. You should check the time you get stuck with this issue, since it's easy for us accidentally turn the volume all the way down or just toggle the ring switch into the silent mode. In this case you are certainly unable to hear anything from your speaker. To fix this, flip the ringer switch down and then flip it back. Every time you try to flip the switch, make sure to see if the speaker can work. If not, try that again for one more time and turn the volume all the way up. If the volume button doesn't respond, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on sound and haptics. Check if the change with the buttons under ringtone and alert volume is turned on, and you are done. And also you should check headphone mode and speaker slot. One reason behind this speaker glitch can be your device is in headphone mode. Another one should be make some kind of junk, debris or lint left in the speaker slot. This dirt can fool the iPhone that the headphones are still connected, thus making no sound when you want to use the speaker. Press either of the volume buttons and see if there is notification pops up saying headphones. If yes, your device is in the headphone mode, just disconnect from your headphones to check whether the speaker can work. And the next step is turn off Bluetooth. The next thing you need to make sure is that your sound is not playing in somewhere else. It can happen all the time when you have connected to another device like a Bluetooth speaker, and no matter how hard you try, you still can't get any sound from your iPhone. If still your iPhone speaker is not working, try turning off the Bluetooth feature. For this, go to settings and then tap on Bluetooth and then tap on Bluetooth toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is force restart iPhone. It's simply quite and easy to perform. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off. Now wait for some time and press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone speaker not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.